everyone. We're headed off to a late night drain cleaning call over in Hudson, New Hampshire. They've used this before in the past for a sewer line backing up that was actually backing up 3 different of their condo units that they have, and it was flooding out the basements of those units. It was a disaster. They have just 1 unit backing up right now, so we're going to head over there, take care of that. Like, subscribe, share, you know all that fun jazz. Alrighty, honey, let's go take a peek. Oh.
I like you and all, but I'm getting tired of eating you.
Right? Can it be like normal business hours?
Between 9 and 5. If the sewer pipes get back up between them. And not on a holiday weekend. That'd be great.
Right.
Although at least it's not midnight like last time.
It's not midnight. It's chilly, but it's not too bad.
Let's tree that again. I just did it last summer. So she said when they flush the upstairs toilet, they don't have an issue. When they flush the downstairs first floor one, they have an issue.
Okay.
So, this is the second time this has happened here.
No, when they flush the upstairs, does it come up on the first floor?
This is the second time it's happened in this unit?
Yeah, and we had something backed up. There's 3 units were draining slow. I don't think it was you guys that came out and did that.
No, we only did the, that nightmare.
Yeah, it's still a nightmare. It's going to cost me, it's already costing me $1,000.
Really?
Plus, I've already paid another $1,800. My estimate's for $3,000 to do a full clean out, plus $500 to the town for what they did that day.
Oh my
And
goodness.
I'm still not completely done.
Wow.
And I still have clean outs I got to put in.
Yeah.
When they built these, you didn't need clean outs for code.
Right.
Yeah,
But that makes it really difficult when I have a problem like what we had.
Oh, yeah.
Have to pull a toilet every time.
Right.
Yeah. Well, sometimes it's safer. Because you're not getting flooded on either.
Alright, so tell us what's going on.
See how good.
When we flush this toilet,
Yep.
it leaks downstairs into the basement. And if you try to run a washer, it'll start to leak too.
Downstairs in the basement?
Yeah.
All right. It's over here. Oh, hi, kitty.
For my job, I would have picked a different major.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Hey, these are way different than the other ones we've seen. You know?
So where does the water come out of, honey?
It leaks from that white pipe right there.
Right,
Big white
yeah.
pipe.
Yeah.
And that's the main line, right?
And when you run your dishwasher or your washing machine?
No, the washing machine.
The washing machine dumps into that trap right there. You can see
Is
the
that it?
hose.
Or is that a dishwasher?
No.
You don't have, well, you don't have a dishwasher.
Wow, they could pump that.
Yeah, they pumped it. They pumped it up and over there, Scott.
Wow.
Yeah, the washer
So,
goes.
is your washer raised up, Vicky? No. You should probably get a couple pallets or one of those things that goes underneath it, because the less it has to pump up into the ceiling,
So that's where it's going to put in the washing machine.
it puts a lot of stress on the hose. But so a lot of people get. Like a
Yeah, I was
platform
trying to see if it came down though. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
pedestal or something. Yeah.
it goes that way. It goes that way, Scott. See the Y?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So it goes
On a T-wire.
in this that way. So it's probably right in here.
Yeah. If the other one flushes right by, the second floor toilet flushes okay?
Yes, that
Doesn't leak, think this causes
No.
the leak.
Shower, anything. I just took a
that
shower
one.
this afternoon. Everything was fine.
So it's got to be right in here.
Yeah.
Probably right there.
Sink's fine.
Right.
So you can probably pull their half bath toilet, right?
Yes. We're going to probably have to.
We can either pull that or we can try. How long is the extended auger?
6 feet. Might hit this right here. This first 90.
Right? You want to
We
try
try
that?
that
Yeah,
first.
we'll try that first, and then because if it's right in this first 90 here, and then we'll just flush a ton of water afterwards. So. Right, that's what I figured. If the extended auger will reach that, then it'll be perfect. You know, then we won't have to.
Keep your batteries
don't know. So. Do you want me to go see if I can hear you?
Yes, when you can hear me into the pipe.
Alright. Oh, I just have to listen. We're not gonna make a mess, I promise. And if we do, we'll clean it up.
I still have the ones you gave me.
Do you? Good.
Yes, yeah, I think there's 2 or 3 extras. And I got really lazy and I never cut.
So you know why I didn't hear your call yesterday? I hate iPhones for this reason. This stupid button. So when I throw it in my pocketbook, sometimes it flips. And so that's why I miss calls usually. Because I have the ringer all the way up. I felt horrible.
I'll put mine in the little side thing when you do it, and it'll push this one.
Yeah.
So if it's on, it will turn off, and I'll look. Oh, no, my phone is on.
Scott, try and flush it, cause you're at the TY. If anyone's gonna wear it, it's gonna be me. With my mouth wide open, like usual.
You'll be catching a lot.
Wouldn't be the first time I've worn it. In Hudson either. I took a clean out cap off once overhead and it just all down. Yeah.
Brad has to call you for this now because he will pursue it. Yeah, Laura, I'm not doing that. Like, really?
We have a YouTube channel. That's what this thing is on my head.
Oh, yeah?
So you can actually watch some of our encounters. It's awesome. And if you don't want this one on there, we won't put it up. So it's permission based.
Should have put my Building 8 one on there.
We weren't doing it at the time. I'm like, oh man, that would have been an amazing video.
It was literally a fountain of poo, of poo water. Like, it was disgusting. Elm would reimburse me for my Nikes, we'll just put it that way. Like, it was disgusting.
That's awesome.
I looked at Kevin, I go, this is the 3rd time I've worn these, you're buying me new ones. He goes, okay. And he had just filled his kegerator, so he stood there in the hallway while she was trying to get her shit done, literally shit done. And we were just red solo cupping it in the hallway, standing with the water. It was great.
I just wore your humidifier water. Where can I set this for now? I just want to start up your washer and test that because that toilet's not coming out, so.
It's funny, because your washer
Is what?
that was the washer line in 8 that it was on.
Right, but it was on that side. Which makes more sense if it's over there because this line comes in and goes this way and then shoots that way.
The weirdest setup. It's like,
When you turned it on, did you immediately go upstairs? Yes. Thursday or whatever it was.
Scott, you want to run the bath sink?
Well, I cleaned a lot of it up before.
At least it's just the one bathroom though, and it wasn't like both, which helped.
And it was a full bath, so we were fine using all the upstairs stuff. It's just I made sure we put a little trash can on that toilet, so
To know not to use it, yeah.
So brainless Bill doesn't say, "Oh, I guess we're going to the bathroom."
so the last time this building had a backup, some asshat flushed kitty litter down the toilet. It was like cement.
Yeah.
I had 2 guys walk off the job because they couldn't get through it.
Then they don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, they were idiots. And then one company sent me a bill after he left. He's like, well, I need a second guy for this. I don't have a second guy. And he's like, so I can't do this. And I'm like, you can or you don't want to. I go, there's a difference.
Right? We would have stayed here till midnight doing it for you. Like we did the last one.
Yeah, when the 3 units were backing up. Yes. And then I think Derry's septic came up and they ended up doing it. That was before I knew about you guys. I used to use Roto-Rigger and now I never use it again. They actually help me a few times for a couple months, but you just have to wait forever for them. They're such a big company, you would think.
Yeah.
But
Usually you call up. I'm going to save your number too because I didn't have it saved in the phone. So I'll save it. And that way there we will know. Is that all it does? It's just that little bit?
No.
Oh, no. Once it, we heard it streaming when you got home from work and use a toilet, and then we were like,
No, I could see it was coming from
yeah,
here
it
and
was,
down the
It
wall.
was a stream.
Oh. Scott, is that toilet flushing okay?
yeah, I use Brad usually. That's who I have come here because he knows these buildings pretty good.
I'd see if he...
It's not clogged right now. I mean, she's empty out the wash and she's
Right.
flushing and
I'd
it goes down like a champ up there. It's like not even building up at all.
I'd
and
see
I
if...
put big wads of paper in there too.
I'd see if he
Just
could
to make
come...
sure.
I know, right? If anyone's going to do it, we'll have him do it.
I'd see if he could come and cut down that 2-inch a little bit, and then maybe try to figure out a different way because that's a really long.
Yeah, that's all right.
But I don't think their
usually
washer
have people
hose is all the way
put
in
the
there.
washer up on a pedestal so that it doesn't have to drain as
Right,
I'm surprised they even allow it like this.
because that's really tight up in there, and I think with the pressure of it backing up, I think that there was an issue, like it pushed out the drainage hose because it is pretty tight.
So you got water only when you...
It was right at the very end. It was just like a little spit. It wasn't even like...
Yeah, if the line was clogged, you would have known.
Right, it would have been... But if you look on this side, it looks like it's coming up out of the thing a little bit. See?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, who knows what's up there, you know?
Right.
Could be just a turn right there and it's crimped too. And the hole could be growing in it too.
For all the haters out there that say we don't know how to do it, I got the best team in the world that's going to prove you wrong and show you just how good we are.